Hi Filipino learners! My name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video for our VERBSERYE, we are going to learn how to use the verbs BUMUKAS, MAGBUKAS, and BUKSAN. BUMUKAS, MAGBUKAS, and BUKSAN all came from the verb root bukas, or in English, open. These three are in their basic or infinitive form, so they all mean to open. Let us first talk about BUMUKAS. But very quickly, before we begin forming the sentences, let us go over its past, present, and future tenses. The past tense of BUMUKAS is also BUMUKAS, present tense BUMUBUKAS, and future tense BUBUKAS. We use BUMUKAS if we want to say that something, an object, opened. Halimbawa, bumukas ang bintana. The window opened. Bumukas ang pinto. The door opened. You can also use bumukas when you want to say that lights turned on, or even appliances, when appliances turned on. It's like how you would use the Tagalog verb suminde when you mean to say something turned on. Halimbawa, bumukas ang mga ilaw. The lights turned on. Or like I said, we also use suminde when saying this. Suminde ang mga ilaw. Bumubukas ng kusa ang mga ilaw. The lights turns on by itself, or the lights turns on automatically. Bumukas ang radyo. The radio turned on. Bumukas ang TV. The TV turned on. For magbukas, the past tense is nagbukas, present tense nagbubukas, and its future tense is magbubukas. Now, we also use magbukas if we want to say that something opened, but that something has to be an establishment, like a store or a mall. Halimbawa, anong oras magbubukas ang mall? What time will the mall open? Alas 7 nagbubukas ang sinihan. The cinema opens at 7. So, cinema or sinihan is also an establishment. Nagbukas ng panaderia si Alicia. Alicia opened a bakery. Magbubukas ako ng restaurant. I will open a restaurant. And last but not the least, buksan. The past tense of buksan is binuksan, present tense binubuksan, and future tense bubuksan. So we use buksan when we mean to say that someone opened an object. So there has to be a person or people doing the action of opening something. And take note that buksan is an object-focused verb. So the receiver of action or the object being opened will be the subject of the Tagalog sentence. Halimbawa, binuksan ni Elijah ang pinto. Elijah opened the door. So Elijah is the person opening something, the doer of the action. And the door is that something that is being opened, or the receiver of action. And again, since buksan is an object-focused verb, When using this, the receiver of action has to be the subject of the Tagalog sentence. See? Ang pinto is the subject in this sentence, right? Because we used the subject marker ang. Isa pang halimbawa, binubuksan na niya ang mga regalo. He or she is now opening the gifts. Once again, there is a person opening an object, and that object being opened or receiving the action is the subject in the Tagalog sentence. Bubuksan ko ang mga bintana. I will open the windows. Binuksan mo ba ang bag ko? Did you open my bag? Well, there you go. That's it for this video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.